Here are guys, the intro is a little rocky because we're running, we've been in the rain, and the blaze, we're over here.
That's right guys, another beautiful day in the MIA powered by iTunes. Today we just left an iconic project for a school looking to enhance their security through our iTunes smartphone technology. And now we're at the Baptist Health Iceplex, about to step the Florida Panthers into the future with iTunes.
iTunes for that glass, step into the future. Upgrading your home like a facelift suture. Click clack for that glass, instant privacy, wow factor. Luxury finishes at your fingertips, impact windows are impactful. iTunes for that glass, iTunes for that glass. Instant privacy, wow factor. Step into the future, into the future, into the future. Frame it up, make it clean. Turn the plane into a scene. Luxury finishes at your fingertips. Every room gets a facelift. When they get rolls in your boom back. Built to impress, made to switch fast. iTunes for that glass, iTunes for that glass. Instant privacy, wow factor. Step into the future, into the future, into the future. Open it up, let the day come through. Then lock it down when you secure your view. Dynamic on the surface, flawless with install. One small change, and the house feels bountiful. iTunes for that glass, iTunes for that glass. Instant privacy, wow factor for high class. Step into the future, the views are never truer.
You guys saw how it was when we came in, and now look at how it is as we go out. Woo! Not only is it Miami for you, but this is what the future is for you. 1 minute could be rainy, cloudy, having turbulence, and the next minute, beautiful, sunshines, greatness. And that's what the future is all about, right here.
Guys, we did what we do best. Giving our clients the best solutions for dynamic privacy with iTunes technologies. We just finished a estimate consultation for the Florida Panthers training facility, where they're looking for privacy and security for their players. So what better other option than iTunes? So once again, whether it's a luxury home, whether it's a school, whether it's a commercial facility, iTunes is here to set the standard on how you achieve your privacy. And if you want to learn how to install smart film and want to become a certified technician and even an authorized dealer, hit the link below, apply today, and get ready for iTunes.